Hello, my name is Andrea Ketza. I'm in charge of the industry solutions at Amazon Web Services, serving the auto industry and the manufacturing industry. I joined AWS 3 years ago, and before that, I was at Tier 1 in the auto industry, Continental, which is called today Automotive.
Yeah.
I'm an expert in autonomous driving systems. So how about you? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Larry from ThunderSoft. I co-founder of ThunderSoft. We I majorly take charge of the global strategy and the overseas business. So for ThunderSoft, we majorly the mobile OS expert, and we support the smartphone OEM, smart IoT device OEM, and also of course smart vehicle OEM globally. This is our major business for software. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Larry.
Very nice to meet you.
Do you want to tell me or tell us about your job, about your team, and what are your business objectives, and maybe also a few words about the challenges you are facing?
Yeah, so I majorly take charge of strategy and also I need to continue growth. The always the most challenging senses, and your area you need to make a growth. So for our business, and like I introduced before, and we have a smartphone software and the automotive software. Immediately for cockpit, we provide the whole cockpit solution, and also for the IoT device, and we provide the module and the software stack. So and for the AI part, then we majorly do the edge AI solution.
Sounds very interesting. In the process of selecting a cloud service providers, could you say a few words about the KPIs or the criteria which you were using when you selected Amazon Web Services?
Yeah, since our customer is very broad, and we have all the OEM customer across the world. So when we select the cloud service partner, then we need to consider about the global coverage. And also the cloud service need to be very high quality, very stable. It's like for the no matter for the the automotive and for some key IoT device, the high quality is very important sense. And another sense that we select to work with AWS is another sense. I think is AWS has special, very strong culture, the very efficiency and customer centric. So this is we also learn from AWS.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear. Yes, customer obsession is one of our key leadership principles. Yes. Larry, can you share with us your company's Gen AI strategy? We hear here today, our first day at IAA, we hear a lot about AI ML and deep learning and Gen AI. What is your particular Gen AI strategy for your customers and for your products?
Yeah, when we set up our companies, and we position us as a mobile OS expert, so we majorly focus on the open source OS, the Android, Linux, to develop our product and service, technical service for the device OEM. And now, then since all this AI develop very fast, and all the device makers need AI enablement. So for the AI areas, and we position us as edge AI expert. So we majorly focus on the edge AI side. Of course, then like for automotive, we not only provide the AI cockpit solution, we also will develop the agents in the cloud side, so that we can provide the end-to-end the solution for our customer.
Sounds good. Thank you. You mentioned a few minutes ago that globalization was an important criteria for you in selecting AWS. Can you share with us a few stories or anecdotes or maybe challenges you were facing through your globalization journey?
Yeah, I think in fact because our customer is very diverse, and we have many China OEM, automotive OEMs. They need not only in China, but also need to export automotive to the many countries. And also we support the global brand, and they also need to come to China. They also need to go to many countries. So their demand is pretty diverse. So we need to face in all kinds of diverse requirements. And also the automotive OEM also always, that's one key trend is that want to develop in the cloud side and also can deploy it seamlessly on the automotive, on the edge side. So this is always a long-term target, but it's haven't been implemented yet, full feature implemented yet. So for this part, then we are working with AWS, to moving our development tools onto the cloud, and also to implement the whole development environment on top of the cloud, so that and also implement the digital twins, so that you can implement the cloud to the car, such new development method. From this point of view, I think AWS is very leading.
Thank you. And finally, could you summarize maybe some your first experiences, your experiences so far with collaborating and innovating with AWS, and maybe you can also share some of your future projects with us?
Yeah, I think we have cooperated with AWS for many years, start from China, but also extend to the global market. And previously, then I remember that we started cooperation from the IoT area. Then we working together, to implement the IoT, the development tools, SDK on top of the cloud, and to support many big volume IoT devices. Then we extend this cooperation to the automotive area, and the currently that we think that the AWS has a very good AI strategy in the cloud, and you provide the infrastructure and also enable all kinds of AI models on the cloud, and the OEM can make a choice. Yeah, so and for this part, then I think pretty aligned with us. And in this part, and in edge side, we also to utilize the open source large language model and multi-mode model, and we didn't reinvent the wheels. We reuse all this open source model, and we implement the other parts, the middleware and the agent part, so that we can provide a full stack solution and utilize AWS, the AI cloud, to have this end-to-end solution.
Thank you very much. I think I understand now why you named your company ThunderSoft. I think you're coming with lots of energy and lots of passion for what you are defining here. So I wish you all the best for your future endeavor. I am very happy to be partner of your company, of your team, and I wish you all the best. I think the auto industry is in a major transformation, and you're coming in with the same mindset, with customer obsession, with delivering results. So our companies have a lot in common, and looking forward to continue accelerating and scaling your business.
Thanks so much, and we are confident, and we look forward to have more and deeper cooperation with AWS, and we working together to enable our customers.
We are here for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.